Embattled former chairman of the Police Federation, Corporal Rowan James, has claimed victimization after he was not allowed to vote with the security forces on Friday. He says he usually votes at the Denhamtown High School in West Kingston, but got a rude awakening when he turned up to the polls yesterday.
I would have called and I was told that I am on the list to be voting at the Denhamtown High School. And unfortunately, when I turned up this morning, only to find out that my name has been removed from the police list. When I checked otherwise, my name has been removed from the police voters list, as well as others who are on suspension, interdiction. This is the first in the history, to my knowledge, that any such occurrence has taken place.
He is now questioning the authority of the police high command and calling for them to be held accountable for what he deems a retrograde step to impact his right to vote. Now, Corporal James has been in a long court battle with the police high command over the treatment of rank and file members of the police force. He says he's prepared to take swift legal action if he is not able to vote when the rest of the public goes to the polls on Wednesday.
I know of a fact that my character and integrity has not been impugned, and it is disrespectful of the High Command to be placing me in an unknown profession, to say the least.